everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell and today I'm going to paint on this 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. Got the back finished up with the big push pins and it's taped off. Okay, so today's technique is going to be a blowout and I'm going to do that from the bottom. I'm going to put a dark color at the bottom and then blow this up. For my negative space, I have made up this light green. It is a very beautiful color. It is Twilight Pearl, a little bit of that, and a lot of white. Now, after I got it mixed up, I was looking at it and I'm like, that kind of looks like the color of toothpaste. So hopefully when it's on the canvas, it won't resemble that. All right, so I'm going to get this down onto my canvas. I like to put the base coat down everywhere but the very bottom where I layer my colors. That helps so that there's not so much paint on to your canvas when you're blowing it out. Okay, I'm gonna get my base coat down. Let's get started. Okay, so I've got my light green down. Next color I'm going to add is Twilight Pearl, and it is a really dark blue green, and it dries more green than it does blue. It is so gorgeous. So I'm going to put this color down at the bottom here and make sure my sides are covered. And I'm going to come up a little bit too. I think about right there with the dark. Just did a purple painting and I did this and I added a scripture verse down here at the bottom in the dark color. Oh my goodness. So I kind of would like to do that again. It came out amazing. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to get the sides covered and then we'll get on to the next color. And then I'm going to run just a little bit of this background color here. Whoops, that's a little more than I wanted. Remove some of that. All right, next up, Ocean Teal Blue. That is so gorgeous. Then next up is white. This is just Artist Loft. Right there. And then actually run a little bit more over the top. Next is Sleeping Beauty. This is also Proj Posse paint. She's not selling paint anymore. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to be heartbroken when I start running out of some of these colors. And then lastly, you know the drill. This here is Cell Activator. It's Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. Alright, I'm going to get the blow dryer. Okay, I don't love that my white didn't blow up. I don't mind it there so much. But, you know me, I'm a scraper. If I don't like it, I get rid of it. So, let's see. Can I do that? Well, let's try the airbrush and see if I can't push it up a little better. Let's try that first. Yeah, I don't like it. Pooh. All right, so I'm gonna try again. I succeeded the first time. Try again. Okay, so this is Proj Posse Paint Ocean Teal Blue. We're not adding any white this time at the bottom. Nope. Much better. I know what I'm going for here, and I know it seems awfully plain down here, but there is a method to my madness. I want that to be plain. I want that to be solid so that I can add wording to it. So yeah, that's good. All right, that cell activators create some beautiful effects.